Hey y'all, and welcome back. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Now, I have been doing a lot of food truck menu-ish items. Today I'm changing it up. Today I'm cooking supper. It's gonna be super easy. Not much ingredients. I mean, there's what, 5 things here sitting in front of me. It's gonna be real simple. We're making Caribbean jerk. Is it Caribbean or Caribbean? Either way, we're making Caribbean jerk, however you want to say it, shrimp over a bed of rice. Super simple. Not going to take a whole lot to do this. It's going to come together real easy. Now, as you can see, like I said, there's only 5 ingredients that we're using. Real simple to put this together. Won't take much to get it done at all. Now, don't think just because there's only a few ingredients, there's not going to be a lot of flavor in this dish, because I'm telling you, there's going to be this right here alone has a lot of flavor to it. Now, I went ahead and fired up the griddle, got everything sitting on low. Now, the key to a lot of this is I went ahead and boiled the rice. It's cold, but it's already done, ready to go. What I'm gonna do is heat it back up on the griddle. The shrimp is deveined, detailed, deheaded, everything, washed, ready to go. I chopped up these green onions. You know, the prep work is key to any kind of meal you're gonna make out here on the griddle or grills or anything you may be doing. Try to get your prep work done before you come outside. It makes life a lot easier, I promise you. Now, with that being said, you've seen the ingredients. We've talked about what we're making. Let's go check on that griddle, see if it's time to cook. All right, I'm seeing that white smoke. That tells me it's time to put some groceries up on this griddle. And as normal, let's throw down a little bit of oil first. Get the oil down and get the shrimps on. Man, I love that sound. Now, this shrimp will not take long at all to cook. Not long at all. So grab some of that island seasoning and let's season that shrimp. Oh boy, that smells good. Get that mixed in. There we go. Spread it out. Now, you really only need to cook the shrimp maybe 2 minutes on each side, and that's gonna be about it. Man, this shrimp with that island seasoning is already smelling so good. Now, if you haven't tried this island stir fry season by Blackstone, you really need to give it a shot. It's some good stuff. Let's stir up our shrimp a little bit. Oh yeah, got a good little sear char to it now. What I'm looking for. Let them cook just a little bit longer. Now, this type of meal right here is perfect for a weeknight. After you've been at work all day, kids been at school all day, you need to throw a quick meal together. This is good, full of flavor. Everybody will love it, and they might even thank you for it. You can't never tell. And I don't know if you can hear that noise in the background. Lawnmowers are running. It's getting that time of year again. These shrimp are right on the verge of being done. Man, they're looking good. Well, this shrimp is ready for some sauce, y'all. So grab that Caribbean jerk and let's sauce up some shrimp. Now, how much of this you use is completely up to you. I like a lot of sauce on my shrimp. This is my personal preference. Stir that in. Whoa, that smells good. Let that shrimp kind of simmer in that sauce for just a minute. I wish you could smell this right here. Man, this is smelling good. That Caribbean jerk seasoning? Yeah, buddy. All right, let's turn this far burner off. Put all our shrimp over there and throw some rice up here. Let's slide you all over here. Keep you nice and warm. Now, like I said earlier, the rice is already cooked. We boiled it earlier, strained it, did everything to it, put it in the bowl, but it's cold now. We gotta heat it back up. Let's throw it back up on the griddle. Now, all I'm trying to do is heat this up. I'm not trying to make fried rice out of it. Just kind of heat it up. But let's flavor it up a little bit too with some more of this island seasoning. Because don't nobody want just plain old rice. Gotta have some flavor to it. Let's mix that in now. Kids are back here playing basketball. I'm over here cooking supper. Man, yeah. All right, that rice is good and warm now. Grab you a plate and start plating it up. Look at that steam coming off that rice, y'all. Yes, sir, buddy. Now that you got that rice plated up, grab your cutting board, set it down, put your rice down, and let's put some shrimp on here. Now, it's up to you how you want to do the shrimp. You just kind of do it nice and easy. I'm not going to mix it in, just kind of put it on top here like this. Yes, sir. There we go. Looking good there. Now, there are some more shrimp left on here, but I promise you, they're not going to go to waste. But for right now, we need to take this over here and finish it up. Well, y'all, there it is, but it ain't done yet. Remember them green onions we had? We got to kind of dress it up, make it look pretty, add a little color to it. So we're just going to sprinkle some green onions around on it. Again, like everything else, much as you want, wherever you want, however you want. I think that looks pretty doggone good right there. Y'all just look at how good this turned out. You can almost see all that flavor in there. I wish you could smell it. It really smells really good. But man, that looks good. Now what y'all think about that? When I said quick and easy, simple, perfect for a weeknight meal, that's exactly what I meant. Because around here, we got so much going on, so many things being pulled different ways. We got to find something quick and easy and simple, but yet I want something delicious. I don't want just a, plain old burger or corn dogs or whatever. This right here is good because I done tried one of them shrimp. But now let's try it with some rice and see how it turns out. Got much better. Yeah. You need to make this. I mean, make it tonight or tomorrow or the weekend or whenever. But make it. And if you do, please tag me, whether it be on Instagram, Facebook, or wherever, because you can find me on all them places. Look down in the description down below, and there's a link tree where you can find all the other places we're at, even on TikTok. Believe it or not, we're on TikTok. This is super simple, super easy. Like I said, 5 little ingredients, and you got a great weeknight meal. And honestly, I mean, you see how much shrimp was left over there. Cook more rice, make even a bigger meal, whatever you want to do. Hope you enjoyed this, something a little different than the burgers and stuff I've been doing. And thank you for all the support I've been getting and the comments and the love pouring in about the food trailer I'm starting up. I'm really loving all the support about that. A lot of videos about that coming along. Got more menu items coming along, so be sure you subscribed. Ring that bell notification. You don't want to miss on anything we got coming up. But I got to go feed this to the family right now, so we'll see you next time.